We couldn't ask for a better matchup in the 1A bracket. Top-ranked South Adams hitting the road to take on number 3 Southwood in our signature matchup. A lot of thrilling moments for both of these teams early in the night. Our player of the week, James Arnold, connects downfield to Aiden Warner, makes one cut, and he's into the end zone for the first touchdown of the game. But Southwood starts moving on its next drive. Alex Farr with a great toss down that far sideline, and Dawson Phillip hauls it in for a big night's gain. Later in the drive, Farr looking end zone, and Carson Rich goes all Randy Moss on this one. Outstanding grab for the tying touchdown. A lot more coming from that Starfire offense too, though. This time Arnold finds Drew Stutzman, and he just steps out before breaking away. Big night for the Starfires, though, and South Adams wins it 48-35. Now we move to Class 2A. Bishop Luers with a long road trip to Tipton. Tough start for the Luers offense. Carson Clark's throw picked off here by Jace Edwards late in the first quarter. But 3 plays after that, Sam Cole reads the Tipton QB Sam Edwards all the way, picks him off. The interception stands, but no pick 6 because of a penalty. Knights in business anyway. Clark gets it to Johnny Sewell. One judge signals touchdown initially, but he's just short. From that spot, it's Ramon Anderson breaking through for the first Luers touchdown, and the Knights play a very strong game on the road, claiming the regional crown with a 36-17 win. Now we head to Bishop Chatard High School. Concordia trying to win on the road in the 3A bracket. Big moment for the Trojans here. Matthew Coons finds a path through the front 7, then some open space. He takes it 52 yards. That touchdown gives the Trojans an 11-point lead. Cadets keep fighting. Brandon Davis throw tipped, but caught anyway by Cam Johnson. Cadets then go for 2, get it. Now it's a 3-point game. But late in the 4th, the Trojans put it away. Tommy Hannon bounces his way to the end zone, and another solid season for Concordia comes to an end. Trojans beat the Cadets 28-18. In 4A, East Noble once again on an impressive postseason run, hosting Marion. Marion on the punt return, and a big play here from Zamer Burnett. It ends up as a 50-yard return, just shy of the end zone too. Giants get pushed to 4th down from there, but QB Jones able to take it in. Marion up 14-3 after that. Knights driving late in the first half. Cole Schupbach with a long toss, and Nick Munson hauls it in, able to carry the defender with him for a few more yards. East Noble scores moments later. Kanon Carrico for a 3-yard score, but the Giants will come away with the victory here. Marion ends East Noble's season. Final score 28-20. Bishop Dwenger gets off to a great start at Zionsville. Jack Tipman coming up with the interception, takes it to the house, pick 6, puts the Saints up 14-6. Moving ahead to the 3rd quarter now, Saints building on that lead. Play fake, Brendan Lytle goes to the end zone, and Rocco Sioka with a great grab. Dwenger now up 21-6. But Zionsville comes storming back. Eagles QB Josh Stone on the move, sends it to Luke Baumgartner. Eagles go for 2, succeed, and it's tied at 21. Then in the final seconds, a familiar name, A.J. Vinatieri, son of the future Hall of Famer, drilling the go-ahead field goal. Zionsville adds a scoop-and-score touchdown on the following kickoff, and the Eagles upset the Saints 30-21. And in 6A, Homestead trailing early against Westfield. Huge play here, though. Direct snap to Nate Anderson, and he's going to throw it. Anderson finds Jared Kistler open downfield, and he takes it for a 62-yard touchdown to put the Spartans in front. Unfortunately, it's all Westfield after that. Shamrock's QB Maximus Webster finds Nick DePasquale for the go-ahead score right there. Then in the second, Webster threads the needle, and a great job by Reed Shepherds to hold on for the touchdown. Westfield goes on to beat Homestead 42-9, which means South Adams and Bishop Luers will have to represent Northeast Indiana next week in the semi-state round.